All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Google Classroom. I'm so excited to get started with you guys. Just a couple of things. Getting ready. So this is how it's going to go, just so you know. And we're going to talk to each other in person, hopefully every day. I'm going to let you know what time. We're going to start, hopefully, with a quick meeting tomorrow for those of you that can get on. And then we're going to get a set time every day where I'll meet with everybody and then with maybe some of your groups to check some of your work. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to jump on your Google Classroom. Everything goes through your portal. Log in through your portal. Okay, just like you do when you're in school with your S number and the number that has your initials in it. So log into your portal. You'll go on your Google Classroom. Every single day, just like this, I did it by day. You will see your assignments, and it's by day. So it will say Tuesday, March 31st, and then it'll have all your assignments for the day. Do them in order. So this way, we know you're going to finish reading and hopefully math by the time we talk. So we can go over what you're doing. So you'll click on your lesson, you'll watch your lesson, you'll do whatever you're supposed to do. I wrote it out for you, okay? And then when we meet, you can show me what you're doing. So make sure you have paper and a pencil. You really don't need very much else. If you have a notebook, that's great. You can even use the same notebook for reading and math. But if you just need something to write with and write on, where you can kind of just keep yourself organized, okay? I'm not there to do it for you. Your parents will help you. If you have a notebook, fabulous. Just use a notebook. So you're going to go to the day. You're going to click on your first assignment. You'll do it. That has two parts. It has your reading part, and all you have to really do is watch and do what they say. It's really easy. And then it has an assignment part, which is going to look just like what we did in the classroom. It's going to be like something to write. It'll say, I learned blah, 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 just like we always did. So that'll be easy for you. Use your own spelling. You know I don't care about spelling. I much rather hear what you have to say. Okay, so don't hesitate, and you'll draw a picture to match your words just like you used to do. If your paper has lines on it and you have to draw a picture where there's lines, it's okay. Listen, we're all doing the best we can now, so the important thing is you're doing it and you're learning. And the same with math. When you do your math, that is something you're going to mostly be doing online. Most of it is stuff that you're not going to be writing. Most of it is like I tried to make it more games. But when we come, we'll talk about what it is. So I make sure you understand what you're learning. So I really want you to do the reading and the math before we come and talk. Not in the morning, when we talk in the afternoon. Okay? In the morning, we'll just have a little meeting and talk about what we're learning for the day. All right? So the only other thing I want to show you while I have both computers set up is some of the links. If a link doesn't work, which is going to happen, don't panic. We'll figure it out. Everyone's learning this as they go. Some of the links, though, are YouTube links. If a YouTube link doesn't work, you could just go to YouTube, put the link in, and pick it up there. So I know some of you are having even problems with the welcome video. So for instance, I have my foundations lesson right here. Whoops, I'll move it up a little bit. I have my foundations lesson right there. It's a video you're going to watch and do with me. Now, for some of you, the link is going to work. You'll pop it up. You'll see me. I'll start talking, and you'll be good to go. When you're done, you just can click the little arrow in the corner. Oops. The little arrow is in the corner. You'll just click the little arrow and go right back. If it's not working for you and you can't get that link to work, even if you're going through the portal, which if you're following the directions through the portal, I was told it should work, things happen. So you can go back to your portal. Whoops. Okay. You can go to YouTube. So if your YouTube doesn't come up, just if you start putting the word YouTube in, it usually does. There's YouTube. Right there, I have my YouTube. I click on YouTube. It's going to pull up YouTube. And then right here in the little search bar, I can put in the name of the lesson. You might have to look at how I spelled it. It's Foundations. And then it's going to have a 1 because it was day 1 that we did it. The only thing you're going to have to do with that is you're going to have to put in my name with that. So because YouTube has so many videos, it might be hard to find. Then you'll see it'll pop up. I'll be the first one right there to pop up. It'll be Foundations, Amy Allen, with my name. So you can ask your parents how to spell it. They can write it on paper for you. But then you'll know you can always find your lesson that way. And then you can just click on it straight from your YouTube search. Okay? And it's the same thing that is in the other portal. All right? When you're done with that, you can just go right on top, click the little X that had that, and you're right back to your regular portal. And you can go right back to your classroom. All right? I know it sounds confusing. We're going to practice. You guys are going to be experts by the time this is done. I'm going to be an expert by the time this is done. I also set up our Google Meet. You'll click the link, and then you will see my face, and I will see yours. I'm hoping it's going to work. If it doesn't work tomorrow, it probably might just be because they're just starting it. It might not work till Tuesday. But let's try tomorrow because I'm so excited to see you guys. So that's it for now. You're going to be doing your work every single day. At 8 o'clock in the morning, you can start. 8 o'clock, your reading is going to be up. All of your little lessons. Do your reading and do your math. And the other ones, just do throughout the day, whenever you have time. Some of you I know are sharing a computer with your brother or sister, so pass it around. Do what you have to do. Make sure you get those 2 in. I made everything due. I want everything. If you could do it in that same day, that's great. If you need some more days to finish something, maybe I put a few science and a few social studies. If you do those and you catch up at the end of the week, that's okay. I've made everything due on Friday. So by Friday, you should have done everything from each day. But you're going to get each day, you'll get a little schedule with a couple of activities. That's what you should try to just do it each day. It's the best way to learn. If you squish it all in one day, it's going to be really hard. All right, so we're going to try. We'll see how it goes, and we will talk tomorrow. All right, I'm excited. I hope you are too, and we'll see you later. Bye.